Kristina, why did you reverse diet? Why did you do this bulk? I'll tell you why. One, I had been placed on hypothyroid medicine for a sluggish thyroid, so my metabolism was underperforming. Two, I had lost a lot of muscle mass after breaking my ankle and needed to not only regain that muscle mass, but put on some added muscle in order to improve my metabolism. Three, having more muscle is your metabolic sink. It helps you manage your blood sugar way, way better. It's great for your longevity and puts you in a better spot metabolically long term. So listening to my bodybuilder friend Robert Sykes, who recommended this to me, I knew in my heart that although it would be a painful journey to put on added weight, I needed to go through this to ultimately change my long-term destiny. So it is a very, very slow process, very painful process, emotionally quite difficult, but ultimately will land me in a much, much better place metabolically, physically, energy, no medication. These are all the reasons why someone would ultimately gain weight to then be able to lose more and keep going through that cycle. So if you have found yourself in a really bad spot where you're eating very little food, your energy is low, you don't know why you're looking worse and worse every year, then you too may need to hire a coach, eat more food, train differently than you've been training, stop doing punishing long cardio workouts, move over to strength training, do more walking. You may gain overall weight, but hopefully you're adding more muscle to your body so that then you can do a fat loss phase and cut back down and ultimately look better, feel better. That is the journey I'm on, to be continued. As I post updates to my journey, I put on 30 pounds since 2022, have ultimately cut off 10 of those, so still 20 to go to get back to where I started, to ultimately get lower than where I was, and then we'll probably have to do a couple of rounds of that. And so to be continued.